outside here. Kwasi against Dito. Against Casabre. Kwasi is going to score!
Sinasabi ko sa Sunel na high ball over the top, a problem para sa global defense. Arthur Kwasi, one of the people na sinasabi ng coaching staff ng global, be a threat para sa kanilang araw na to. Proves them right. And you look at the replay, mamaya, over the top ball na yun, pag-bounce, ang ganda na bounce, bumalik eh. Wala bumalik para sa kanya, setting it up very, very nicely. Siyempre, backpedaling. The youngster really lost no man's land.
But it was difficult para kay Casabre. But I think it was Sato who played Kwasi